My name is Tyler. I'm one of the co-founders of Truffle Shuffle. So we are so excited to make this truffle margarita pizza with you this weekend. One of the requests that we had from everyone is how can we make handmade pizza dough? So it's super easy, right? Everything in the kit. You have your flour, your yeast, your olive oil, and then all you need is 1 pint of tepid water. And basically that's water that's just warm to the touch. So we're gonna add our pint of warm water and the whole pack of yeast into the bowl. So we wanna stir that up. And then we're gonna keep it in a warm place for about 10 minutes. So after the warm water and the yeast has sat for 10 minutes, we're gonna add all of our flour and our olive oil. Now we're gonna mix for 6 minutes. And if you have a KitchenAid with a dough hook, you can totally do this in a KitchenAid. So after the first 6 minutes, I'm gonna put a 2-finger pinch of truffle salt in. And now we're gonna knead for 6 more minutes. Dip your hands in a little bowl of water. Get the rest of that dough off your fingers. So that water helps with the dough not sticking to your fingers. So now we just need to add a little bit of oil or spray into our second bowl. And this just helps with, again, making sure the dough won't stick. Wet our hands just a little bit. And then transfer all of this dough into the oiled bowl. So we're gonna cover the dough with plastic wrap and let it sit at room temperature for 3 hours, folding the dough every hour. So now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna fold the dough. Again, we're gonna do this 3 times. Dip your hands into a little water. And then you're gonna grab the front part of the dough, right? Lift it up, fold it back, okay? Then we're gonna turn the bowl 180 degrees. Do the same thing. Come in, lift the dough up, fold it back. Then we're gonna turn it one more time. All right, come in, lift the dough, fold it back, and then one last time. And then just gonna wrap it with the plastic wrap again and do it once more an hour from now. So we have our olive oil over here, right? And pour all the olive oil. Take that plastic wrap off of it. And then we just want to spread out this olive oil across this sheet tray. And basically it's gonna fry that dough on that one side, get it really nice and crispy. Then we want to get our hands a little oily too. Just take our dough and just transfer it all. And so the dough, we're not gonna be able to spread it all at once just because there's so much gluten and it's so tight. So what we're gonna do is just press the dough down and we're gonna spread it out as much as we can get it, which will be about halfway. So basically we'll spread the dough halfway, right? And then we gotta let the dough rest for about 30 minutes. And then we can spread the dough the rest of the way across the sheet tray. After it's rested for 30 minutes, we're just gonna press the dough out to cover the rest of that sheet tray. Basically, we're doing that just so we can relax the gluten a bit, right? Allow that gluten to relax, which will allow us to stretch this dough out. All right, and there you have it. So that's how you want the dough to get the dough ready right before the class. And that's how you make focaccia dough.